What's up everyone? So today we're here in Havana, Cuba. We got here yesterday from Brazil. Right now we're just in like our little guest house room. It's like a private room in somebody's house, one of the locals. I'll show it you quickly. So here you can see there's actually room for 3 people. We got a double bed. What's up, Carol? Little single bed here. Fan, AC. Over here we have the fridge as well. Havana Club. And in here just a simple little bathroom. So we booked this place for 3 nights on Airbnb. I think it cost $16 a night, so yeah, really cheap. And I think here they call them casa particular or something like that. Loads of the locals here always rent out rooms and stuff to make some money, so this is where we're staying. We also got breakfast here this morning, but that was like $5 each, but really nice big breakfast. So yeah, it's pretty good so far. We're basically on the roof here, so yeah, you can already kind of see how raw this place looks though. Check that out. So this is the rooftop where we're staying. But look at this, it almost looks kind of destroyed. Everything's falling to pieces here. See the road down there? Carol's made friends already. I think we knew it would be old, but we didn't expect it to be like this, right? I thought it'd be more preserved.
Yeah, maybe it was because of the hurricane or something.
Yeah, maybe. What's up, doggo? How you doing? Just right next to where we're staying, we've come to this like big square here. Here you have the Capitol building, Capitolio I think it's called. So that's a government building. I don't know much about it though. You can see all around here there's quite nice buildings, old buildings. Seems to be under construction at the moment. Huge square though. And it's cool because you know, one of the iconic things about Havana is old school cars from like the 50s or 60s. So yeah, everywhere you go here you see those old cars. Yeah, that's really awesome. All very colourful as well. So check this out here, you got like a strip of all these old cars going all the way down and one passing by. I think the majority of these cars are taxis though, right?
Yeah.
And how much did you see that it was?
$40 starting.
Starting at $40 for
More than that.
for 1 hour, right? So we've actually decided to get in one of the old cars. We spoke with a guy and he said he can do it for I think 25. I think it's Cook, their currency is called Cook. So yeah, we're gonna do that and it's only half an hour, so that's why it's a bit cheaper. So we're just waiting for the car to arrive right now. Hola. So we're making a quick stop, I think like a 2-minute stop at Plaza de la Revolucion. Not sure if I pronounced that correctly. It's where you have a big image of Che Guevara, so yeah, I'll show you that now. So here it is, that is one of the iconic images of Cuba. And then over there you have Fidel Castro. Now we're driving, Carol. Time to drive. Got dropped off from the car. It was a really nice ride in the car and everything, but there was a bit of a situation at the end. We actually decided to give 35 instead, but he was asking for more because he said the ride was longer. I said like we agreed on that price, and he was like no, but the ride was 50 minutes, not 30. But me and Carol were like, well, we asked for a 30-minute ride, we didn't ask you to drive us around longer. So yeah, a bit of an issue there, but we only paid 35 in the end anyway, but even that was more than we agreed on anyway. Yeah, just watch out for those kind of things. We're in the center now. We just had a quick meal. I think it cost about 5 cook each. It was really cheap. I think that's around like $5 each. Not that much food, but still cheap either way. And now we're just in this square here. I think it's called Plaza de Armas. Everybody's just chilling here. It's really hot, so yeah, we're just waiting in the shade a bit. Loads of historic things around here though, so in a while we'll continue exploring. We've now come down to a place called MALECON, which is like the boardwalk along the river here. And over there you can see there's like some sort of fort. So yeah, we're just trying to work out how to get there. There's a tunnel underneath this river, but I don't think you can walk there. So yeah, we're trying to see if we can get a bus or something. Might need to get a taxi. To the other side. This place is called Castillo Tres Reyes del Moro. It was such a challenge just to get over here. So first we tried to get on the bus, but you can only pay in peso, which is their local currency. The gringo currency is cook, what we're using. So yeah, we couldn't get the bus, and then we tried to get a taxi and the guy was charging like $15, which is nuts because it's like 2 minutes. Yeah, I was just telling him he was nuts, and he was like, no, a lot of gasoline, so I don't know what he was talking about. So then we found another taxi and the guy did it for $5, so yeah, we got, what? Yeah, we got this like old taxi that passed, $5, and yeah, we made it here, so I'm gonna check out this place now. Really nice views here though. So you can see there's old Havana. We were walking along this boardwalk here, the Malecon. And I guess this is the castle here that we're gonna go inside. We've entered the castle now. It was 6 cook each to enter. You could pay 8 cook if you want a guide. But yeah, we're just going solos, so yeah, we're gonna check this place out now. Read online that it's a pretty good place to visit. So here we have the old lighthouse, which is from the 1800s, so pretty old one. And right next to me there's this old cannon, which looks like it's probably older than the lighthouse, I think. Good view?
Yeah.
Yeah? Ocean. Oh, nice. We were over there on the boardwalk, but you can see it goes around this corner and I don't know, it just goes all the way down there, so quite a big one.
Let's jump.
Let's jump to cool down, right? The Caribbean Ocean. So we're kind of in like the museum section now, and I think it said this castle was initiated in 1586 by King Philip II, the Spanish king at the time, right, since it was a colony of Spain. And I think along with the ones in like Puerto Rico, which I also visited last year, it was around that same time. So yeah, they were also building castles here at the exact same time. You definitely get your money's worth though, because yeah, this place is just huge. I didn't expect it to be so big. And even if you don't like history, you get like great viewpoints here if you want to take photos and things like that. So we were over there, and yeah, you can basically walk all along the top here, and the castle goes all the way around here. You can walk down there as well, so yeah, it's really big, this place. Then in the background there's actually another fort. I'm not sure what that is. Pretty good, right, Carol?
Yeah.
Better than you expected.
It's worth it for $6.
Yeah. So a change of scenery. After the castle, we just went home and like slept for a while because yeah, we were tired. And now we've come out at night to yeah, get some food, some drinks. We're on like the main street here. I'll just show it you quickly. So this street here is called Obispo, and during the day and night this is like the main street that everybody goes to, get all like the restaurants and stuff. So we're on the second floor right now. We ate there last night across the road, and as always you have like the live Cuban music. Pretty much every restaurant you go to here will always be playing live music, so yeah, that's pretty cool. So I got some Cuban beer, Cerveza Cristal, and I think that cost me $2.75. We both also got fish dish with rice, which I think is going to be around $8. So yeah, pretty good price once again, since we're on like the main street. I would usually expect it to be more expensive, but let's see how the food is. The food has arrived. Here we have the fish fillet and the rice. Carol got the same. So far it's always been small portions though, right? Seems to always be just a little bit of food. Not bad though, still tastes okay. Back at the guest house now. We ended up going to some like cool alternative Cuban party. The Cubans really know how to dance and stuff, so yeah, that was pretty cool to see. And I'm gonna close this video out now. Obviously in this video you've seen all these like nice images and stuff of Havana, but me and Carol have actually been overall a bit disappointed in Havana. It's nothing to do with the actual place itself, it's more just our interactions with the people here. Like I said, I mentioned those like two kind of scams with the taxi guy and the other guy in the old car, but there's also been other situations during these past 2 days that I haven't mentioned. At the airport there's literally signs everywhere saying what the price of the taxi should be. So it should be like 24 Cook from the airport here to old Havana. But then yeah, we met a taxi driver there and he was like trying to charge us 40 and stuff like that, even though there's like signs everywhere saying the official price. So yeah, we found another taxi driver at the airport, and then we got here for the correct price. And there's just been other situations as well. And other than that, when you're walking around the streets here, people just keep bothering you the whole time, like asking you to buy stuff. I mean, obviously in like poorer countries it is kind of expected. We've been to so many already, but we've just never experienced it on this level. Yeah, here it just got really annoying. And like I said, I do understand it's because they're poor. I mean, you saw from the streets, there's literally people living in like ruins here and stuff like that, but either way, it's still, from a tourism point, it doesn't make the experience that good. And yeah, it's just like me and Kyle would be walking down the street trying to have a conversation, and people would just be interrupting the whole time, trying to sell us stuff. It was just too much. I've never experienced it on this level, like I said. So yeah, in the end, it ended up making our time here a bit negative, and we are actually just ready to get out of here. We didn't want to spend a third day here, but we had already booked it. So yeah, tomorrow we gotta spend the day here, even though we don't really want to. And after that, we're gonna head to a place called Trinidad down the coast. And yeah, we're just hoping it's not gonna be the same there, because yeah, we're kind of fed up a bit already. So yeah, hopefully the rest of Cuba is a bit different. Here is the capital, so I imagine it is worse here. But obviously seeing the cars and the architecture and yeah, like the Cuban life has been interesting. And I'm just mentioning it because if any of you guys travel there after watching this video, yeah, you'd probably be wondering why I didn't mention that, since it happens so often here. Anyway, let's see how the rest of Cuba is. Drop a like on this video to help support me. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.